Okay, here we're going to show you how to install a turn signal light bulb on a Yamaha Vino scooter. So we've already taken it out, which we used a counterclockwise motion to get it out. So now we're going to show you how to put it back in and reinstall the lens cover. So this is the new bulb. So you've got your pin, which is here, you see, on the end. So you want your pin to line up here in the upper corner, just like that, and then go ahead and push in and then turn in the clockwise manner until it locks in place. And now it's locked in place. Now you go ahead and put the cowling over it and screw that in place like so. You're going to line it up with the other hole that the lens cover goes on. Just like that. Then, so you take your lens cover, which already has a screw in it, and line that up with the other hole. Here, like so. Then go ahead and tighten. Not over tighten it, but enough so that it's snug so no water gets inside. Just like so. And there you are. That's how you install. So now that we've replaced the bulb, we'll start it and check it. There we go. So that's how you install your turn signal for a Yamaha Vino scooter. This is an XC50. Thanks for watching.